In this lecture, I want to talk to you about the cone of learning that was created by Edgar Dale in 1969. He tells us that people will generally remember only about 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, 30% of what they see, 50% of what they see and hear, 70% of what they say and write, and 90% of what they do. So as you're going through this course, it is important to stay in this category. And that's why I really want you to be actively participating in the course, to be writing things down, to be taking notes, to be active in the discussions, because the more that you do that, the better you're going to learn this material, and the more that you're going to be able to absorb through learning other things that you're very passionate about learning. So when you get to the bottom stages here, you're going to be able to analyze, define, create, and evaluate compared to just define, list, and describe or explain. Now, it's extremely important that you're actually, simulating, doing some modeling, or experiencing a lesson. That's why I have this lecture in almost every single one of my courses, because the cone of learning is so important to you, and it's so important for you to understand. You really need to, design a presentation or actually do the real thing to start really getting results from this course. So when I tell you and I want you to, choose something that you really want to learn, please don't just watch the lecture and go, up on to the next one, I'm bored. I mean, really get something out of this course. The cone of learning. If you understand how the cone of learning works, and if you start to stay in this category here, then 70%, the 90%, the bottom half of the pyramid, you're really going to start to learn things at a higher level. You're going to be able to analyze, define, create, evaluate, and that's how you really learn something really well. So please use The Cone of Learning by Edgar Dale, and I look forward to teaching you more in our next lectures to come.